pressure canning? How does pressure canning work? Why is pressure canning different?
It's a great question. Okay, so regular water bath canning with grandma's black and speckled pot, the kinds of recipes you can in a water bath are high in acid. So they're like your jams and jellies, your fruit, your applesauce, or pickles. So all those types of recipes are high acid. So because they're high in acid, they can be safely preserved with the heat of a water bath. And when you want to can something that's low acid, like plain veggies or meat, beans, those types of foods, then you need higher heat. So the pressure canner is a pot that has a locking lid and it builds up heat to a much greater degree. It gets over 240 degrees because it doesn't have that acid in the fruit or acid from the vinegar brine to rely on. So the idea with all kinds of canning is you're making an environment inside the jar that's kind of like, I always say, that's like the surface of Mars. Like it is inhospitable to growing a spoiler. Yeah, to growing anything. Yeah, you don't want anything growing. You want no sign of life. Yes, you want no sign of life. So if you don't have acid in like chunks of chicken or meat or beans or stew or split pea, whatever, then you need to have a higher heat to kill all potential spoilers, and you achieve that with a pressure canner. So it just has a locking lid, a gauge to tell you when the appropriate amount of pressure or heat has built up, and that's the contraption that heats in your own home jars over 140 degrees.
Hey, if you want to win a free copy of the Pressure Canning Cookbook, go like and subscribe to the main podcast video, Pressure Canning with Jenny Gomes. The first 100 people to subscribe and comment will be entered to win. You don't want your family to starve, do you? The world might end, your family might starve. Make sure you go get yourself a pressure canner. There's a link right down there. Save your family! Or just because you might want to can some stuff.